Hi everyone, today's topic is spongy. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start our topic sponge. Sponges, the member of phylum Porifera, are a basal animal clade as a sister of diploblasts. They are multicellular organisms that have bodies full of pores and channels, allowing water to circulate through them. Consisting of jelly-like mucil sandwiched between two thin layers of cells. It is a two-pipe spongy. If we see its classification, its domain is Eukaryota, its kingdom is Animalia, and its phylum is Porifera. Sponges have unspecialized cells that can transform into other types that often migrate between the main cell layers and the mucil in the process. Sponges do not have complex nervous, digestive, or circulatory systems like humans. Instead, most rely on maintaining a constant water flow through their bodies to obtain food and oxygen and to remove waste. Sponges were possibly the first to branch off the evolutionary tree from the last common ancestor of all animals, which would make them the sister group of all other animals. Sponges are similar to other animals in that they are multicellular, heterotrophic, lack cell walls, and produce sperm cells. Unlike other animals, they lack true tissues and organs. Some of them are readily symmetrical, but most are asymmetrical. The shapes of their bodies are adapted for maximal efficiency of water flow through the central cavity, where the water deposits nutrients and then leaves through a hole called the osculum. Many sponges have internal skeletons of spicules, skeleton-like fragments of calcium carbonate or silicon dioxide, or spongin, a modified type of collagen protein. All adult sponges are sessile aquatic animals, meaning that they attach to an underwater surface and remain fixed in place. While in larval stage of life, they are motile. Although there are freshwater species, the great majority are marine species, ranging in habitat from tidal zone to depths exceeding 8,800 meters. Although most of the approximately 5,000 to 10,000 known species of sponges feed on bacteria and other microscopic food in water, some host photosynthesizing microorganisms as endosymbionts. And these alliances often produce more food and oxygen than they consume. A few species of sponges that live in food-poor environments have evolved as carnivores that prey mainly on small crustaceans. Sponges reproduce both asexually and sexually. Most species that use sexual reproduction release sperm cells into the water to fertilize ova that in some species are released and in others are retained by mother. The fertilized eggs develop into larvae which swim off in search of places to settle. Sponges are known for regenerating from fragments that are broken off, although this only works if the fragments include the right types of cells. Some species reproduce by budding. When environmental conditions become less hospitable to the sponges, for example as temperature drop, many freshwater species and a few marine ones produce gamules, survival pods of unspecialized cells that remain dormant until conditions improve. Then they either form completely new sponges or recolonize the skeletons of their parents. In most sponges, an internal gelatinous matrix called mucil functions as an endoskeleton, and it is the only skeleton in soft sponges that encrust such hard surfaces as rocks. More commonly, the mucil is stiffened by mineral spicules, by spongin fibers, or both. Demosponges are spongin. Many species have silica spicules, whereas some species have calcium carbonate exoskeletons. Demosponges constitute about 90% of all known sponge species, including all freshwater ones, and they have the widest range of habitats. Calcareous sponges which have calcium carbonate spicules, and in some species calcium carbonate exoskeletons, are restricted to relatively shallow marine waters where production of calcium carbonate is easiest. The fragile glass sponges with scaffolding of silica spicules are restricted to polar regions and the ocean depths where predators are rare. Fossils of all of these types have been found in rocks dated from 580 million years ago. In addition, archaeocyathids, whose fossils are common in rocks from 530 to 490 million years ago, are now regarded as a type of sponge. Thank you.